Hey there, I'm Liz, Head of Product at Builderall, and today I'll be showing you the updates for the last week of November 2025. I was almost in 2026 there. All right, so if you're familiar with the website builder, you know that we have a really nice analytics option for each of your websites. However, it used to be focused only on the entire website information. So you would access this and see the browser access, device access, system access for the entire website. Now you'll be able to filter per page, which means that you can get the information separately per page. For that, you just click on the drop down and select the page that you want to check, and then you'll be able to see if you have information or not, like the one I just showed, just like that. Now, another really nice update that we've made involves a secondary tool that we have that's actually one of our most used tools and a really good tool for those who are marketing anything on a website, which is the social proof tool. So before we used to have the social proof automatic configuration, I mean integration for the website builder, but you could only assign one social proof pop-up per website. Now you'll be able to add a specific pop-up to a specific page, and that will also allow you to assign different pop-ups to different pages. So for that, you can simply go to integrations and then click on social proof, add configuration. Now I can go ahead and select the social proof pop-up I want to appear, and then I can select the pages in which I want this pop-up to appear. I'm gonna go ahead and select the home page here, and then I'm gonna hit save. Now I'd like to add a secondary pop-up to a different page. Add configuration to assign a new pop-up, a different pop-up to another page. So the page I can assign this pop-up to, it's either the jobs page or the teams page because this one already has a pop-up assigned to it. So that's it. I can just hit save. And then for good measure, I will go ahead and republish my website. And I will also check on the configurations for us to see when the pop-up will appear so that we don't wait too much in here. Let me do that. And there it is. That's my first pop-up that just appeared in here. And then I'm going to access the other page, which is the jobs page, so that we can see the other social proof pop-up. Let's wait a little bit. So let's wait a little bit. I just configured the social proof pop-up to appear every 5 seconds. And there it is. I have to move my camera here so you can see, but there is the pop-up. So that's another really nice feature that we just added. Now, for our third update, this is actually the third update. If you're using Mailing Boss, you know that we have a phone prefix field and a phone field. So those were two separate fields. What we did now is that we added the option for that to be a single field. So you just have to configure that on Mailing Boss and then have it reflect on the website builder. And you'll be able to see not only this unique field, but also the flags and the country specifics for those flags. So that's another nice update that we have on the website builder. Now we have another update, and that one is for the e-learning tool. So we understand that some institutions require some sort of identification for a course to be recognized as, valid or valid. So what we did is we've added an option for you to ask for the student ID of your students. That option is located under registration and protection, and you can enable it like this. Once you enable the option and access the course, let me go to my course right here. Once a student tries to register, and this will apply to all of our themes, it will ask for their ID. And once they add their ID, you will also be able to see the ID information under the student information right here. I had already filled it in, but I didn't add my ID here. The information will be located here. And you can also go to certificates, and on the certificates, you can use the student ID as a placeholder so that it appears on the certificate. And that's it. These are the last week's updates for November. Thank you for watching and keep on building.